I've got all I need of Team Sonic, but somehow my sweet moves don't look as cool as I'd hoped.
Maybe it's 'cause you're getting your butt kicked.
No, that's not it.
Might I suggest motion capturing a foe who could actually defeat Sonic? Then just digitally replace their image with yours.
What a brilliant idea! Glad I thought of it.
That's why you're the boss, sir.
But who do I know that stands a chance at defeating Sonic the Hedgehog? Shadow, I have a proposition for you.
Since this all started, I can't trust my own thoughts. However, get out of my sight.
The only way we're gonna get Shadow for my plan is if he thinks Sonic's been talking mad trash about him. Hey, Sonic! What do you think of Shadow the Hedgehog? I mean, ew, right?
No complaints here. He's coming whether I'm ready or not, so why even ask?
Oh, just curious. Hey, bet you'd love to beat him up, huh?
That's easy for you to say. I mean, I'm the one that's gonna suffer a beating here. The thought never crossed my mind.
Yeah, but, how about his shoes? Aren't they weird looking?
You can talk trash if you want, but leave that knave stuff out of it. This is turning into a real hassle.
Oh, Shadow!
Guess I have to go up.
Just wanted to let you know I ran into our old pal Sonic today, and he did not have the nicest things to say about you.
Shadow, what's with this guy? I bet I could deflect his attack. Please, I eat wimps like this for breakfast. The bigger they are, need I say it?
I'll take this. There's nothing I cannot do. I shall cut down all in my path.
Already on it, then you'll go beat up Team Sonic, right?
Here's a good one. A horse walks into a bar, and the bartender says, "Hey, no animals in here!"
Knuckles, what happened?
If I had to guess, I'd say I was knocked into a wall.
Let's end this once and for all.
Shadow, what are you doing here?
Attacks are useless.
I'm gonna need a 3-camera setup and a 4th giving me an overhead view. Move, move, move!
Good thing I took that shadow boxing class.
Don't worry, Nux, I got him!
Oh man, my video game's gonna be so epic!
I will find the truth.
Well, it ain't over yet! Eat hammer, punk!
Let's do this.
We're just getting started.
Ooh, that'll make for some great cutscene dialogue.
Sonic, help!
Only a fool would dare try to stop me now.
Never thought I'd have to fight you like this.
Never show your face around me again.
Oh man, a cliffhanger? I hate those.
Where's that damn fourth Chaos Emerald? Where's that damn fourth Chaos Emerald? Where's that damn fourth Chaos Emerald? Where's that damn